Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a map to guidebook on the Fatmap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this map button down below on the left side of the screen. Then select a map that you would like to check out, and after that tap on map view, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out. Here you can see this more button in the upper right corner, so tap on it and click on save to guidebook. And here it has been saved to your guidebook if you have already created one. So as you go back you will be able to check it out in the profile section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.